Hey y'all, do you have some landing feet on your leveling system that are just not cutting it? They are bending, deforming, warping. It doesn't matter if you're a Class A, Class C, or fifth wheel. You've even tried snap pads, but they are just falling apart.
Well, we're going to give you an update on some landing feet by RV Paws that we discovered 3.5 years ago that are still working like a dream as our first Maintenance Monday.
Take 92 because we're having a hard time trying to tell you what we are, who we are, what we do, and where we do it.
Hey, I'm Shar, this is Phil, and we're Y2V. We're a 501c3 that goes to state parks and other nonprofits to renovate, restore, and renew them.
And we do it with RVers like you, so if it's interesting, definitely check out our channel and see what's going on. But yeah, we had this issue with these RV pads. In 2020, we went through 12 9-inch pads for our coach. We are 32,400 pounds, so that's pretty weighty. We're a diesel pusher, but these pads were just breaking, and what would happen is I would drive the Ram down and it would sit on the bell of the top of those pads, and then when it retracted, it would try to pull the bolt through those landing feet. And it got so frustrating because they're supposedly made for this coach. In fact, we went to the RV show back in 2022 in Tampa, and we saw that the brand new chassis coming from Freightliners had those feet. So they were not good.
And it certainly was not working for us.
Right. So 3.5 years ago, we did a video on those landing feet. They didn't really have a name back then because I went to eBay, found Darius online, and then said, man, I need these feet. These look great. Can you help me out? He sent them. They were perfect. And they've absolutely changed our life because instead of wondering if one of these things was going to fall off every month, right? We went ahead and put these on. We totally forgot about them. So take a look and see how they're holding up over the last 3.5 years. All right, here they are in the retracted position, totally firm. Look at it, not a single bend, nothing is wrong. This stuff is totally solid. We run around the country every week or so, so these things have gotten a lot of life over the last 50,000 miles. Now let's show what they look like half extended. So I've got the version 1.0s, and see how they're kind of flexible right here? They will adjust to the contour. RV Pods has a new version of these, but this is what they look like. Let's get the coach set up and extended. Almost ran over the camera. We realized we needed to back up a little bit more to be able to connect to it.
Since that video 3.5 years ago, Darius and his wife Lynn have become official. They've created their business, RV Paws, and you can find out more about them at rv-paws.com.
And you should check out their selection because they've got version 2 of the feet that we have, and they're much more resilient against uneven and sloping ground as well as soft earth. And they even have a version that you can put on a snap pad, so they have really got this baby going. Well, we really hope you enjoyed this video.
If you did, please give us the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends.
See you later, everybody.
Bye.